Hello everyone, Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today is the Ramadan day, yes, and I got a daily job. So here's how my last few Ramadan's days look as an international student in Turkey. Today I got a daily job as a babysitter. My job was to take care of and play with the kids from 2 p.m. until 9 p.m. In the morning I studied for a bit like usual before getting ready and heading to the house. Honestly, this was my first time going there, and so I didn't know the family, the kids, or even where the house was exactly. I was a little nervous at the first, but thankful my friends helped explain everything for me. Alhamdulillah, the kids were actually very sweet. They weren't too difficult or overly active, so I could play with them comfortable. And honestly, I was really relieved because they accept me quickly and want to play with me. The most tiring part was probably the little girl. She kept walking toward the kitchen and putting random things into her mouth, so I had to keep catching her and carrying her back to the play area and again. Even though I was tired, it was still a really nice experience for me. Today I joined a volunteering activity with my organization. It's called Damla. Our campus organized a free Iftar event, and we help prepare everything before people arrive. We arranged the dates, bread, water, dessert, and help distribute food for everyone. And after Iftar, we cleaned the whole place together.
Tamam tamam ruh Allah معك.
Şimdi kim? Memnun musun?
Ben.
Sen nesin?
Herkes çıkacağım.
Şimdi Eymen.
Herkes çıkıyor. Ha,
Ekmek tatmaya seni koyayım mı? Ekmek tatmaya gel.
Ne yapıyorsun Fatma?
Ne?
Ne yapıyorsun?
Duruyorum. Uçamıyorum. Ay bu ne? Geç sen
Tamam mı?
Rezil olduk baba. Sen nerelisin?
Filistin. Sen nerelisin?
Çin'le karşıya götüreceğim.
Çin mi?
Maşallah.
Çin mi? Sen Çin arkadaş mı?
Arkadaşım bu. Sabahtan beri gelecek.
Memnun oldum. Al işte.
And this part was filmed by my friends using my POV camera Insta360 GO 3S to show how our Iftar atmosphere looks that day. It looked funny, right? Sometimes leaving a birth feels exhausting, but moments like this make me feel grateful to meet good people here.
Her yerde gezdim. Her yerde gezdim. Güzel.
Çok iyi.
Tamam mı? Başka kim çıkıyor? سوى باي سوى اي حاجة. بجيك.
Bana mı çekiyorsun?
İki tamam. Afiyet. Ben de bir tane koyayım ya. Afiyet olsun. İki tane tamam. Afiyet olsun. Ekmek afiyet olsun. Bir tane tamam. O zaman selamat makan.
Bir sen koy bir ben
Sen koy. Hayır. Sen koy ben de koy. Tamam. Afiyet olsun. Evet
Bir
öyle
sen
koy.
koy bir ben koyayım.
Evet öyle yapalım.
Şimdi sen koy.
Afiyet olsun.
Ya bu da yanında.
Evet ya çok uzak orada kaldı. Ekmek. Afiyet olsun.
Sağ olun.
Afiyet olsun. Hepsi kırmızılar. Kırmızılar. Merhaba. Afiyet olsun.
Nerede paylaşacaksın? Hangi kanal?
Hello arkadaşlar, hello guys. So today I'm going to break my fast at the restaurant with another friends. Actually, like I got an invitation to break our fast together with another international students. But the restaurants, you know, the restaurants just 5 minutes from my house, just over there. It's so closed. Now time is, could you see that? 6:30, and there is no one come here. Oops. So maybe I will be the first person, but I don't want to go for the first. Let's go, guys. You know, the restaurant is there. The restaurant is over there. I'm so happy actually. The restaurant is over there, and yeah, my house is just string. Leon, çok tatlısın. So cute. Oh my god, you're so cute, canım benim. Hey, you too. What happened? Are you cold? Yeah, maybe a little bit cold. Hey! Don't play with my code. See you guys. Bye bye. Yeah, it's so early. Should I come there? It's no problem. Let's go in there.
Merhabalar, hoş geldiniz. Cemil Başar. Tamam, teras kat, asansörden 3. kat.
3. kat mı?
Evet. Canım, hanımefendi eşlik edin. Canım. Tamam, ayrılmayın buraya.
Çok tatlı. Oh my god. Evet. Şöyle bir video çekeyim bari. Bu yemekler sadece, merak etme. Sıkıntı yok, bunu alırım. Of, değilmiş. Kek tatlısı. Baya tatlı, baya aşırı tatlı.